Enough time when you see the price them high. Under the farmer.
And the farmer.
Hey, oh man, you tell me, say.
Troublemaker. There you.
If you measure right in, it will be about 5 gallons a liter. So what would I do less and if we can waste time? The birds will pass, and me just hang up at the phone. I ring back, and me see first step up the phone and I should walk. Hey, you know, so me sure you're looking at me recognize, say, like you don't know where I go. That they look, no, that they look so you know, certain now in the pot. In come my man, they were early, what your name? I miss you, I didn't want me to look fine, man, so I can be love woman here.
Top of the morning, Father Stone.
Manners.
Manners and respect.
Yes,
there.
man.
Pon the farm.
Pon the farm. Big farm to be exact.
Big farm to be exact.
Man.
We're there in our bush in a Mandeville.
Yeah.
Alright. Because we're not going to give you the location. If anybody want to reach out to you, your contact
Big
is
farm.
here.
Yeah.
Them can reach out to you.
Yeah.
We're there upon Big Farm and we're there with Father Stone. I wish we're there right now. We're there Melon.
Melon patch.
Melon patch.
Yeah.
Wow.
5 weeks old.
5 weeks old.
Entering production stage. You can see. Got some. Little food there 1 and 2 place.
5 weeks and them start
5
blossom?
weeks after transplant.
Oh, after transplant.
Yeah.
And them start blossom?
Yeah, man.
Next to beer?
Next to beer. I go find. Alright. Now you can zoom in. Ooh. Hold on. Let me catch that one there good.
That is a melon right there. Whoa. And this is just 5 weeks, I say.
5 weeks after transplant. I keep them in the trays for 3 weeks.
Oh, for real?
Then we transplant them.
Then you transplant them.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
This is just a demo. We just prepare to see the production and the land, see what the land can produce. So this is not a really a field, it's just a testing for the melon crop.
Oh, nice. So it's his first time?
Yeah, this is our first time I planted. So we do, as you realize, it's not a big patch, we do a small, because big farm not do small patch.
Oh.
You understand?
But a lot of people that actually look on this and think say,
no, this is a demo. This is a demo.
This is just a small...
As we say, we don't know what the soil produce, and we didn't do a soil testing.
True.
For the melon crop.
True.
So what we're doing now, we just freelance.
Just a freelance?
Yeah. Do it on our own and see the production. Then after that, we will know to move ahead.
But
as you can realize, we have land further and it go right across.
Nice. But
So
at the moment, by looking at it, how you say it go on?
At this stage right there, we don't. There is not a guarantee what will
Same way?
happen. No.
Even though it a blossom house is small
Yes,
and
things
still.
can
Oh,
things do
wow.
happen. 'Cause
Wow.
with climate, as me say, we don't know what the climate bring for this area. So we just have to watch. But as we progress along, then we will see. If success, then the next time you come, you're going to see from here right back over there. We have basically 2 acres, so you will come and see 2 acres of watermelon next time.
Wow.
So basically, they say watermelon are like cool here. And you know Manchester is a hill, so
Yeah.
basically we cool.
True.
So that's the reason why we really test it first.
True,
We
true,
see how it keep up in the weather before we go.
Oh, so
branch out
it's
either.
like a plant where prefer
You prefer
the sun.
heat. Yeah, lots of sunlight.
Oh.
More sunlight. So
True,
mostly
true,
that's why you see melon mostly grow at Clarendon or St. Elizabeth. Because them have the preferred climate.
True.
Yeah.
Makes sense for real. It refresh if you get too much water.
Yeah, if you get too much water while it's at its bearing stage, it'll go fresh.
Oh,
So-
nice.
What you can do still, when it a beer, you can spray on some type of fertilizer. We build up the bricks content, so make it sweeter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Look a bigger one. Nice. So Father Stone,
Yes, sir.
how long now have you been farming? How long? In total, if you can remember.
About 7 years.
About 7 years.
Yeah, but what I did I do is basically trial. Me try upon a small plot them first before me branch out big. Because I don't want to branch out big and then fail.
True.
So I try to learn as much on a smaller scale, then me branch out bigger. Because I don't learn.
True.
While farming is a learning process, right? True. You can't know everything.
True.
You could only do it for
As the
20,
years
30
goes by.
years.
True.
Because you know, say, agriculture itself has evolved. We are going in a digital age. So
True.
mostly, what we used to do back then, we are do different thing now because we are go
Change.
digital.
Wow, completely.
Now, farming, alright, before farming was attractive.
Mm-hmm.
The young people don't want to do it. Because they see a man get up, go out to the fark and want hoe, come back in tired like a dog, you know, nothing.
For real.
Now, easier, we have irrigation line. We don't have to walk with bucket and pan for water, nothing.
For real.
We have a pump we can use. We have, when we go down there, so we can
We see what
that.
one.
Yeah.
So it's totally
So,
different.
yeah.
That's what you say.
We are evolved.
True.
We are make farming attractive to the younger youths then because
True.
farming, you can't turn a niche.
For real.
Do it right, do it big, you're good to go.
Me shouting.
Me show.
Wow.
Bigger than carpenter.
Wow. Just like that.
Get yours.
Respect. This is mine.
Yeah.
Give her thanks. Respect. Whoa. But the
This
tree
a-
not even that huge.
Exactly.
Loaded.
I'm young.
This is young.
Yeah, this
As
is
it
a
is there now.
young plant.
Wow. Loaded.
This can grow up to 5-6 feet tall.
Wow.
Spread out longer than my arms.
Jeez and peas. And these are the great scotchy.
It's a great scotch bunny.
Great scotchy. See it here. So when you see them here in the pots, them in the
Quality.
restaurants on the street side. This
A
is
grade.
it. A grade. This is in the bush. The great scotchy. Just like that. Yeah man.
Yeah man, so the sweet corn, we are do a trial upon the sweet corn too, because we never try large scale, so it's how
Sweet
they
corn.
look so
Just
far.
a little testing.
Yeah. So I just see them clean and pretty. No run business. Yeah.
Nice. What triggers you to start farming? What make you get into it? Alright, let me rephrase that again. What influenced you to start this what farming thing?
Well, me have a business mind. I mean I like work for people. So farming. I think that, yeah.
Farming. Was it someone that added to that influence also? Or
No, so me just always like
Was just-
agriculture.
Wow.
You see when me in the bush, just peace.
just peace?
Yeah man. Yeah, you are going. Just peace.
Peace.
Nobody will disturb your peace.
Just
And
natural.
that's just my therapy.
Wow.
You know? My therapy. This. Nobody will tell me, say-
Naturally.
Yeah. So nobody can tell me say, yo, come and work 8 o'clock. Yo, do this. Yo, no sit down. Yo, no that. You know? Do me one thing, my pace, my timing, and just alright. You know? Yeah.
What was the first thing you plant? If you can remember. What the first thing you ever
peas,
plant?
man, red peas and corn, man. Little youth.
And that I never upon no big
large
land.
scale
Just
nothing,
in
man.
just in
But my neighbors like the length of the van.
Red peas.
Red peas.
Red peas.
Red peas and two corn.
And
then
two
tell
corn.
them a little youth.
So it did stripe?
Yes, man.
Oh
I
yeah.
mean,
Your name on fire.
of course. Right on the pot.
You started this whole thing alone, or you started with the help of someone alone?
Yeah, man, alone.
Just you alone.
Me alone. Me alone. As you come in a farm, everything when you look for, by myself. What I try to do, as I tell you, say, technology has evolved. So I try to make my farm as self-sustaining as possible.
Wow.
So what I do, I try to get in all of the things that will make the work easier for me.
True.
Because work is not easy to get. So I try to make the work easy for me. So I
And
try
them
to
have to
get
get
in.
paid.
Them have to get paid.
True.
So I try to get in everything to make the work easier for me. When me alone can control it, if push come to shove.
True.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
So this is our son, Tomato. As I say, I try to make the farming as sub whatever. You know?
yeah.
Just make it hungry,
Yeah,
so,
man.
so it's not hard.
True.
Alright, so what I do now, I get my drip line, plastic mulch. So underneath this plastic now, I have the drip lines them water the crop, fertilize the crop. So I pump the water in the tank out there, so, and the water it and I fertilize it. I mulch between it so you can keep down the weeds. So if the weeds come up, I can just go through and burn out it myself. I just give the water, left you and go on my business. Spray 1 time a week and I eat that.
Wow. You spray it 1 time a week.
Yeah, I spray insecticide, fungicide and fertilizer.
So insecticide, fungicide, and fertilizer.
Yeah,
That's once a week.
once a week.
Once a week.
Once every 7 days.
Wow. Nice.
Yes. And this is just 4 weeks old. 4 weeks old. As you can see, blossom the pan here already. If I go in a canopy a little more, I probably see little fruits are set already.
Wow.
So at 4 weeks, tomato in a production. Yeah. There, man.
Nice. So we do a quick walk through the tomatoes right now.
Roma, 4 weeks old.
Oh,
Today.
these are 4 weeks old as them stand right now.
Yeah, man, 4 weeks old. As you can see. Them tall. And them thick. And fluffy.
Nice.
And a beer.
So it's safe to say these are going good.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Great.
Excellent. First time I plant it, I'm here to tell you.
Oh, it's the first time
First
you plant
time
this?
planting this variety.
Wow.
And
Hold on, what variety?
this is Roma.
Run me through the
Roma.
varieties.
Alright, this is Roma plummy tomato.
Plummy
Yeah,
tomato.
not the
Okay.
salad. This is plummy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So these are the smaller ones.
These are the smaller ones.
Okay,
and
nice.
this one you can use make ketchup because it thick. You can make ketchup or tomato paste.
Wow.
It have a thick body.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is what they use make tomato paste.
Wow. As we there walk through the tomato farm, the plummy farm, yeah. One more ask you, Father Stone. What is one thing you enjoy planting the most since you start planting? One thing.
Sweet pepper are my favorite crop.
Are your favorite?
Yeah.
That is a favorite.
Favorite crop.
And one more ask us again, what's the one thing you like reaping the most? Is it the same?
Yeah,
sweet-
man, sweet pepper, man.
So you like planting that and you like
Yeah.
reaping that.
Yeah.
We are going to head over there soon, though?
Yes, man.
We are going to head over the sweet pepper soon. But these are looking good, brother.
Very.
These are looking
And we are
great.
experienced drought down here right now. Yesterday
And the land soaks, sir?
yesterday was the second time we get rain since here. Yesterday.
What?
Yeah, man. So we are experienced drought. But as you see my feel, you know, experience no drought.
Whoa.
I feel green. Lush.
For real.
Pretty.
For real. Nice. That is.
See, farming.
Mhm.
Farming. You have to love farming to do farming.
True.
If you don't love it, don't do it. Nah,
Don't
make
do it.
no sense.
Don't
at
do it.
all.
And you can grow for love it, don't?
Yeah,
feel so?
because if you plant a crop and you bingo, you're going to love it. But remember, so you can lose too.
True.
So if you lose and give up,
You never love it.
never love it.
You just not try it. Yeah. Oh, whoa.
you never love it.
Whoa.
So, you
Whoa.
see, them might be here at 4 weeks, so you have fruits.
Whoa. Nice. A lot of you guys see me inside the restaurants, on the street food spots, you know, eating all these good food, these good Jamaican food. But at the same time, where the food are come from? The kitchen them look good, the food tastes good, but where are these ingredients coming from? It's not just the flour and the rice, but you know, not just about the flour and the rice as I should have said, but you know, all of these seasonings, these herbs, these spices, these fruits, vegetables, I yes saw them there. And it's just amazing for there. And big up to Father Stone. Father Stone there walk with upon the land. He's been in it for about 7 years himself, over 7 years, and yo, remember me tell you, it's just amazing. And being in these type of, you know, these surroundings just make me feel so blessed. Remember me tell you, refreshing, just pure birds right here right now, just breeze a flow through with ears, natural environment. And we're there, we are ahead, we see the melons. He might try out the melons, and we're there in the tomato farm, plum farm, and we are head to some sweet pepper. And you see the sweet pepper them more, when you see in the bags, those are actually them tree there. Them come off, I don't.
Yes,
and we are gonna head over there. It's just the vibes. And we're there in a Mandeville. Crazy vibes. We are continue, the journey continues. Yeah, man.
Same plummy tomato, but them here different variety.
Different
These are
variety.
Delhi.
Delhi. So them are still plummy.
Yeah, still plum.
But them wanna call Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi.
What
Yeah.
the difference with them one there over there? So
Alright.
Them they look smaller?
No, then we come big too, but as I said, them the one day more like paste, like them
Okay.
thicker. Them have
Oh.
a thicker flesh.
oh,
Unlike this year, them are one year. The thickness of that one thicker than this year.
oh,
That's why they use that one. They make paste. Alright, so
Whoa.
still can't eat just like these.
just like them
these,
there.
but them have a thicker body.
Whoa. Bro, millions of dollars is just busting a yard, you know. It's just a blessing if you can do this in a virgin.
Oh gosh, man. But
And
guess what now? $30 a pound.
$30 a pound now?
No.
What's the highest it ever got to? Are you ever sell it for?
1,200, 800.
A pound?
Yeah, it go high like that.
What?
Yeah,
What?
cause in a February now.
Depends on the season.
Yeah, cause alright, tomato don't like rain.
Oh.
So if you can bring tomato in the rainy season, you make money. Lot of money. But
Wow.
you see the dry season now, tomato grow like alright, this me not have it on no irrigation or nothing. It just depend on the land. And as you can see, look how them big. So tomato we thrive in the dry weather. But the rainy season it don't like a lot of water upon the leaves, it catch fungus and dead.
The waters, the
Yeah,
rainwater causer. Oh.
Yeah. So the water good and bad.
And it bad.
Yeah.
It's
So
for
too
real.
much water upon the tomato,
Too much of one thing.
no good.
No matter how good it be for you. Too much of it, for real. Whoa, amazing.
Yeah, I say there.
Nice. This is amazing.
Colour.
About the reaping. Is it a specific day of the reaping, or anytime you come on the farm and something need for come off, it a go come off?
Alright, you see if me spray,
Mm.
me can't reap. The pre-harvest interval or post-harvest interval is 7 days. Most of them.
So
Some
after-
are 3 days. So basically a week more than have to get for the chemicals wear after. You know we not buy nobody
True.
before me reap.
True.
Yeah.
Oh,
So if
wow.
me I go reap this now, me not go spray.
Not going to spray.
Nah go spray.
And if you spray it, you have to wait.
If me spray it, me have to wait.
Have to wait.
'Cause you can't too greedy.
True.
Love farming, don't love the money more. Love the farming.
Words.
Yeah.
Words, my brother, words.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. As you can see right here, so it's just pure blessing. Look on this, man. Yeah, man, just pure blessing. Respect to Father Stone. I can't stop say that. Respect to Stone for actually give me the opportunity to pass through. If you can see some of these things. You understand? This is a whole plummy farm we are walk through. See there? See my foot here? If you can see my foot. Yeah, man, we are walk through in high crooks. And a pure plummy, pure pretty plummy. Look on this. Whoa. We have some over there that I think those are 4 weeks, him say, straight over the corner over there. And then these are much bigger. Whoa. Look on this. It's just amazing. So I want to see all of this. Hold on, let me just switch to myself. So I want to see all of these tomatoes, all of these plummies, salad, all of them thing there. We are get them in the food, in the restaurant, them on the street side. And this is where it come from. And it's just amazing. It's only right for yard life actually see this stuff, you know, experience them stuff here. As a country youth himself, you know, we love food, love farming, anything what we do Jamaican. That's why I love pure, what's it, pure reds there behind me. Crazy vibes. And as I say, me have to give big respect to Father Stone every time because this is just amazing. It's only right. We're in at the restaurant and see the foods I cook. We have to see where the food are come from. Yes, man. And this is it. Them this panic ground. Yes, man. Right beside beer plummies. We actually bend down beside ton loads of plummies. Pure tomato. We in our farm. We in our whole farm. Yes, man. Pure plummy. This is the vibe.
Cabbage. 4 weeks old.
4 weeks old.
4 weeks.
As we are look on them right
As
now.
they are look on them.
Wow.
And what you can see now, then start for farm head. Put in a head. Then start for farm head at 4 weeks old.
Oh, so that's where it start from.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the actual folding where it
Yeah,
start from.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Wow.
this leaf what you see right there, so
Mhm.
it's gonna be the outer leaf of the cabbage. When the cabbage
Oh,
get big. Yeah. So the leaf them a grow inside of it, a fold up inside.
true.
Yeah.
Nice.
So it grow from inside out basically.
And all of this batch right here is actually the same thing.
Yeah, same cabbage.
Oh, we can see some actually fall over good already.
Alright, what you say fall over good?
Yeah.
And a cabbage.
And a cabbage. How you say? Make we take a step. Make we take a step. And a cabbage.
No.
What? Oh, whoa. We actually see what I go on now. Oh, yes, and lettuce.
What is that?
And lettuce.
I tell you.
we just see what I go on.
These lettuce
But it actually
are
blending in so good with the cabbage.
so good. These lettuce are big, huge.
What?
I tell you.
Them are big, brother.
So when we say big farm, the land might not big, but they produce them big.
Whoa.
So we try to do
Watch. Just look. Let's look on this.
exactly.
To my hand.
And your hand big people.
Gee. No, just look on this. The camera literally now do this. No justice.
And get joke, none of the cabbage them now big so.
None of them now come out
None of
as
them
big
now
as
come big
this.
that.
Oh, God. Whoa.
And this are the Kaiser variety. Kaiser iceberg lettuce.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So
Nice.
yeah man.
Oh.
Yeah,
You can give you a rundown on any other varieties?
Yeah, you have Lucy Brown, Avram, you have Romaine lettuce that are straight leaf on them.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
But this one me plant, this one me love plant. Kaiser. Nice.
Nice.
Yeah man, you get fear for care up so.
Oh, yeah?
No forget, call me head.
Whoa, respect, man. Respect, man. That one that did unexpected.
Yeah, man.
What are some of the challenges where you face over the years while in the whole planting thing, in the whole industry of farming?
As
What
I
are
said
some of them?
before, farming, you have to learn every day. Every day you learn something new.
True.
In a farming, everything fight you.
Everything.
Everything fight you. So if you're not strong, don't do it. People fight you, animal fight you, insect fight you, worms fight you, mongoose, rat, you name it. Everything fight you. Weather, everything fight you. If you get too much water, you rot and you root them. You lose
get
your
too
crop.
much sun.
If you get too much water again, fungus.
Fungus.
Fungus love moisture.
Wow.
So you have to on par with your spraying,
Wow.
your fungicide and your insecticide. Yeah, and your fertilizer.
Wow.
So you have to inspect the field every day.
Every single day.
Every day.
There's not one day pass where you don't upon the field.
Exactly.
Even if you're sick, you're there.
Even if I'm sick.
You're there.
Of course, because watch ya. If I'm sick, alright, say for instance, I'm mostly sick with flu.
Mm-hmm. That's the main thing.
Yeah, so if I'm sick, I have to there because I not curl up in a bed because I not go get better.
True.
I have to come out and sweat same way, man. So
True,
sickness
true,
stop
true.
me from coming from. Yeah. I have to there and make sure people them get food.
Whoa.
Everybody.
Love that. Love that verse,
food,
brother.
It a go everywhere. It
True.
a go when me think, all when me not go, it a go.
True.
Yeah, because I'm there Manchester and there Portland. And
True.
Portland.
When one of them you left from you say you don't know
I don't
where
know
it might
where
end
a
up.
go. Don't know.
But you know say it'll end up where the people them need
Where
it.
the people them need it.
Yes,
There
and
it a
that's
go.
the most important thing. And
Yeah.
talking about challenges, you talk about the land challenge, your people challenge, your insect challenge, all of them look at the challenge. What are some of the solutions? How you protect your land? Make we start off with people then. How you protect your land when it comes to like, you know, thief. If thief come in and say, yo, them a go. Or that never happens yet.
Well, me not have that problem.
You don't have that problem.
But what me do?
I'm like how you said that, yet. Yeah, because
you never
anything
know.
can
Anytime.
wow, anything can
Watch
happen
you
for
know.
real.
What me do? Plant enough. I don't think they can take you all right.
One
Take some
time.
and left some for me.
Wow.
Take
Wow.
some and left some for
I
me.
love that
Yeah.
mindset there.
Plant
I love that
enough.
mindset there.
Plant
So,
enough.
so it might break you, but it not gonna break you where
Yeah.
you know say it break you 100%.
Somebody tell me already say, when you plant something, if you want 3, plant 5 or 6.
True.
So if they take 3, you still have your 3.
Still have a
If
tree.
they not take none, you're alright.
Wow. Amazing. Love that advice, brother.
So this is approximately roughly 2,200 cabbage heads.
In total.
Yeah.
Wow.
More than that, but some dead out. So.
Whoa. Look at that. Look at that, and it mixed with the lettuce. One and few lettuce about
lettuce before.
before.
And we just leave back some for my consumption. Because you know me not sell out myself, you know.
And you nah eat them greens.
Me not sell it and if you go back go buy.
Go back, go buy
So me I
it.
left mine now.
For real.
So,
For real.
me cut my thing fresh.
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 So them have a sweet up
Yeah,
your mouth.
them
Wow.
enough is seal. Them have to sweet up my mouth.
So see, I have a few of them,
so
well, a
yeah,
couple
few
of
of
them.
them, yeah.
So when them a be here and they ripe up at us,
Yeah,
it's
man.
you're there upon the land.
Yes, I mean just right.
Bunks. Nice. Amazing. This is amazing. Yes, man. When I look on now, just pure cabbage. Pure cabbage. I want a few lettuce in the mix and thing. It hard to see. If you're there upon the land, you can make it out. Me did think I did actually get it wrong from first though. When me did actually think say a cabbage actually fall up and thing, but when we go closer, we see some nice fat pretty green lettuce. Crazy vibes. But yo, it's just amazing. We're there upon the land, we're there on big farm. Right here so in a Mandeville. Crazy vibes. The number we did there. So if you want to reach out to Father Stone, that's the brother right there. Link him up. His number there in the description. It's just crazy, and he's been as him say, he might do it for roughly 7 years. And it's just amazing. It's just amazing. The journey not done. We still have more stuff to look on, because as you see in the starting of the video, you see all of them bags of sweet peppers, about 14 or 15 bags of sweet pepper. They're right over there, and we have to go over there. All of them reapings there in the batch there, and we have to go over there to see them. Yeah, man, right here on the land. It's just amazing being here. Yeah, man. We can't just in the restaurant all the time and pan the street and eat food. We want to see where the food come from, and we hope you appreciate love this episode for showing you the in-depth vibes of where all of them food I want to buy in the market, in the supermarket, on the street side, where them come from. And this is it. The farmers them out there working, and we have to appreciate of it. We have to appreciate of this. Remember me telling you, crazy vibes. Yeah man, I still crazy vibes. That's the vibe.
Today you're lucky day, man, because First Hand, upon the farm, and First Hand are one of the biggest fertilizer company in Jamaica. So it's a great opportunity for you this morning to meet First Hand.
Manners.
Morning.
Manners and
Just
respect,
here
man.
in
You dep on yard life, man. Saying? Manners, man. Saying?
Manners.
For real, man. So you dep on the land, yeah?
Yeah, man. We just do a routine field visit.
True.
Just come check the soil pH.
True.
Check the plants, microscope. So we just check to see if we see any mites, see if there's anything like that upon it.
Nice.
More while we just pass through, check with the farmers and ensure that everything upon the level.
True. Amazing. Amazing. How often do this?
It depends.
It just
We
depends.
pass through like probably
Every now
every
and
2
then.
weeks through an area, 2 to 3 weeks we pass through a different area.
Nice. So it's not just the farmer them alone. I keep up on there to basically helping out same way for
Man,
make sure it's everything
everybody
like.
have to rise together.
Whoa. For real, brother,
have to
man.
move with that
Manners
shit.
and respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Yard life every time, you know?
Alright.
Seeing.
Yeah, man, 1 yard life.
1 yard life.
One
man.
straight yard life.
Real, man. Respect, man.
It's a soil pH meter. What this does is tell you the pH of your soil. The pH scale generally reads from 0 to 14. So what will happen is that at the lower end of it being acidic, then you'll have a inhibitor of your macronutrients, that are the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Those won't readily go into the plant. And the reverse of it being high, being at the 8, the 7s, then the micronutrient uptake will be inhibited. So with that now, once you know your pH, if you're outside of the range, then you can either use sulfur to lower your pH or calcium to raise your pH so you can get proper uptake of your nutrients. Because you can be putting on the fertilizer and the plant not accessing them because of that.
Whoa.
Another
Real.
thing would be your water pH. So you use it to test your water pH. A lot of times you're mixing your spray and you don't have the pH in the right range, then the sprays won't work well. So you'll have alkaline hydrolysis happening where the active ingredients are broken down and not readily used by the plant. So you spray it on, it basically mash up for an easier word to understand. It mash up, it won't work good.
True.
This one now, you always hear say you can't see mites. So you only see what happening to the plant, but you're not seeing the culprit. So we can actually use this, connects to our phone, and we can look and we can actually see the mite. We can identify if it's mite or it's strip. Then we can prescribe the proper response to it.
Nice. Oh, this is a
microscope.
Oh, whoa.
So this connects to the phone.
Whoa.
And you will see exactly what's on it that you can't see with the naked eyes.
Nice. Crazy. Respect for that, man.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Amazing info right there. That's Sajay right there, and he's from First Hand. And me I tell you, it's just amazing what they have to come see him on the farm. And him explained that just now. It's just crazy working with the farmers hand in hand to make sure that everything run properly. So it's not just the farmers alone doing the works, but they are here helping the farmers also. And it's just amazing. It's just a whole vibration, a whole community of people, of Jamaican people who make this work. Crazy vibes, amazing vibes. Yes, man. Big up to Father Stone every time.
Alright, so yes, so now we have a sweet pepper.
So we're in a sweet pepper land right now.
So approximately yes, so we have 1,000 over here, so we have 1,000 over here. So when you look upon them now, you might say this one, oh, this one looks so thick and that one looks so thin. Alright, because my prune off the bottom leaves off of that. Reason being,
The bottom what?
leaves.
Leaf.
Yeah.
Oh.
Reason being are the bottom shoots. Leaves and shoots. Reason being, when you have on the leaf panny and the excess rainfall or moisture, it attract fungus.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Makes sense.
we prune them off so the plant not get no fungus. Because it
True.
will spread for down there, so come up to it up and you don't want that.
True.
So what we do, we try to prevent, we not try to cure. Less money.
True.
Right, so we start over there, so we start trellising it. Trellising the support the plant. Because when the fruit get on it, it go drop. Alright, so we string them, you call it trellising. They have this tongue. So basically, I feel support the plant. Because when the fruits company, the plant tend to drop because them heavy.
True.
So we use this as a support.
True.
We even broke off the limb and you end up losing fruit. So you basically string them up just to get the support.
Oh, nice. And the amount of fruit what them bear. About a estimate, how much you think like one plant itself can hold up to how much?
The amount you
amount of sweet pepper like on one
tree
single plant.
at one time.
Yeah. How
Up
much?
to 10, 12.
See, per one of them little tree, right?
Yes,
Sir?
man. Yes, man.
And all of them 12 there. Alright. All of them 10 there. We could put it at 10. All of them 10 they can actually get big.
Yeah, big like this and bigger.
What?
Well, you have, remember, say everybody not put on one time. So we have like 5 big ones, 5 medium ones, but the medium ones, them not ready yet. So you go pick up the fitter one then.
Oh, so the reaping process on this
Is continuous. You can do it weekly, you can do it 2 weeks.
nice.
Yeah, so
you never stop reap.
no.
So you can pick off and the next 2 weeks you come back again
Pick again.
Whoa.
And when you follow the card, you go right up to this height. You can go, I think this variety can go up to 7 feet.
What?
Yeah. So this is Revelation.
What that's a variety?
Yeah, that's the variety, Revelation.
Revelation.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So as me I tell you, we're not go see it too. We harvest yesterday.
Yes, those are the ones that we
Yes.
saw.
So we
Oh.
have where you see them here 3 years come off.
Cheese and peas. Whoa. The camera now do them and no justice. You can't touch it?
Yes, man.
Camera now do them and no justice. Look on this.
And then the small compare.
Them are, and the boss said them are small. This is my hand. And look on this. Look on that big one over here, so. Look on this big one. Whoa. Amazing. We hide over here, so. We hide over here, so. Look on this one. Cheese and peas. Hold on, I have to catch myself inside of this. It's a whole journey out there, right in the midst of all of this. Just look on this, man. Oh, pure sweet pepper. Pure sweet pepper. So when you see them on the road, when you see them, ooh. Yo, we'll go over here, son. That's what the boss are dealing.
We harvest yesterday, but we still have peppers on tree.
So you harvest from both sides?
Yeah, man.
Whoa,
So
one time.
yesterday we picked roughly 14 bags, roughly 800 pounds of pepper yesterday.
800 pounds?
Yeah. So as you see, as me tell you, the tree them can hold a lot. So you can count with me if the camera I go show everybody. We have 2 years, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And me pick off 5.
And you pick off 5 already?
One come out there, so.
What?
So
Whoa.
this one have 4, and me pick off 5 same way.
Why them are big still, you know?
Yeah, and them are big still, but they're young.
Them big and young? Them are young?
If you feel it, it's soft. It kind of soft.
So hold on.
You see when
How
they-
you that's what I'm glad you mentioned that. How you actually know when them
Alright, when you pepper them fit, they firm and hard. So when they soft, they not fit.
them not fit.
No.
It can eat same though.
Yeah, you can eat seaweed.
Okay, but it's
That's
better.
This one is ready.
Not ready.
Firm and hard, but guess what? One of my friend them I like, boy. So this have probably going on my pot.
So hold on. So this actually drop off when
no, I mean pick
you
it
pick.
off. Yeah, cause the worm bored.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Nice. So that nah good. That are going a
No,
pot.
this can't go. Cause we not sell food.
Alright.
Nah, man.
This are going a pot. Whoa.
Yeah, man. So
Have kids, bro?
one.
Have you have a son?
My daughter.
Have a daughter?
Yeah.
Would you want her to continue the whole farming?
Yes, but not this aspect.
It,
May I go venture in a greenhouse, which is more easier for she. You understand?
but you want them continue the farming
Yes,
journey.
man,
Wow,
farming,
amazing.
farming,
Amazing.
farming
Amazing. Nice.
Very
Nice.
As me tell you, if you have a piece of 90, you just there so.
True.
Me tell you, say me have one child, but I'm more than one. 'Cause all of them,
All of them.
my baby them.
Oh,
Yeah, we care for
millions.
them daily.
Millions. I have to come here
Daily.
daily for them.
Yeah.
Wow.
As Me say you can't go from every location because then they all over.
Them there everywhere.
Me have to do everywhere.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, while walking through this sweet pepper farm, we can see 1 and 2 tomato about the
Yes,
place.
alright,
Are you
because
them drop or you just
I did plant tomato years before.
oh
So basically what drop off of the tree and spoil in the ground,
yeah,
it catch back.
catch back.
Yeah.
Oh nice.
So I never that feel them, just make them do it.
But the trees, the sweet pepper trees, we still up on them there. Oh, them whenever them as I said them not stop them not stop produce, right?
Yeah.
So is it a case where how long these trees were planted? How long them are planted?
Alright, them here. These plant the 1st of December. Chance plant the 1st of December.
2024.
Yeah. Something about little like this.
So when them are gonna come out I grow?
Alright, under good care and good weather and good supervision,
How long them can turn?
all 1 year.
Brother,
All
for
1
real?
year. I say in a greenhouse, all 2 year.
So you just continuously getting peppers.
Continuously. And that's why I tell you so they can go up to 7 feet because they continuously grow.
Whoa.
Yeah.
What the price range of them are there now? Sweet
Now
pepper.
in the field,
Mhm.
it dey
At this current moment, no. How much sweet
No.
pepper I go for now?
yeah, 200 in the field.
What the most sweet pepper ever sell for? You ever sell sweet pepper
Well,
for?
sweet pepper go up to all 1500.
Same like
Same
the
like the
tomato.
tomato. But with it whole price better than the tomato.
Yes, cause me just did a mention
Yeah.
some always sweet pepper no matter how often you buy sweet pepper, it's like the price is always the same.
Yeah, man, it whole
It's just
price.
always up there.
The whole price.
For some
The
reason.
Tomato now, with tomato, we go up faster and come down faster.
True.
And just so it works.
Fluctuate
Because-
way quicker.
When the year before me start reap tomato,
Mhm.
tomato they are 3-5 bills. And by the time I start reap, it are 100 till it catch we a $30 now. That's how them a buy for farm gate price.
Whoa.
They might buy for $30 and go sell it back for 3 bills or 2 bills.
Yeah.
But we don't have no control over that. So enough time when I see the price them high under the farmer.
And I farmer, I'm glad you mentioned that.
Not the farmer.
Why you tell them again now, bro?
Man, it's not the farmer.
Enough
Not
time
the
when them
farmer.
see the price is high, it now come from yes up on the
Yeah.
ground, half of the ground yes up.
Yeah, what-
And I
yeah,
say
what
it
you
start
got
from.
Me might
It's
sell
a whole process.
Me might sell a man for $30.
Mm-hmm.
And a man they go sell back somebody for $50. And then that is somebody they will buy for $50 go sell back somebody for $100. So
Every man want a profit.
every man want a profit. So
True.
we got through more than one hands before we reach to Uno. That's why I probably won't have to pay the high price. So
True.
nobody for you to say the farmer get the highest price.
Oh, I'm glad you mentioned it, bro. I'm glad you mentioned it. Glad you mentioned that, bro. What one advice where you give to somebody where I don't want put it as a boy or just a girl, but any young person or even any older somebody than you where you inspire, or what would I say them inspired by your work or just inspired by you as a person doing this. What one advice would I give them? Enough to be about farming, bro.
Yeah.
Just anything at all would I tell them. Just anything.
Just do what you love.
The way you love.
Do what you love. Everything we work out for you. Do what you love.
Touch me, brother.
Just do what
Do what you love.
Mhm.
Just
And
like
once
that.
you love it, you
True.
won't feel like work. Just do what you love and try make money off it.
It not gonna feel like a work, yeah,
Never
work.
feel like work.
No.
When I come here, so every day I mean night for 8 hours and it come like nothing. see
Nothing.
me. But
Oh.
if me go I want next 9 to 5, you know, me I pray for you day done and it can't
Oh,
done.
God, in space an hour and a half, you want to live up.
Me tell you, say, me come on the farm and we there at work and buy me quinta night. Let me go for 9 to 5.
The day not done.
Nah, done.
The day just not run
Nah,
off.
done.
Whoa. Amazing words from the General Stone boss, you know? Amazing words. Just do what you love. Yeah, Stone tell you, no. Yeah, man, just do what you love. It's
Just find
amazing.
what you love and if you can couple that with something where you can make money, just do it. Just like me, so make love videographing.
And we love
So
food.
And you love food.
So everything just
So
pure.
you just couple the two of them
And it just work.
and it just work.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Natural vibes, bro. It's
Yeah, man.
amazing. Respect for the farm tour, brother.
Yes, man.
Respect.
Anytime.
Love it, brother. Love the
Anytime.
look, bro. The tomatoes, the lettuce, the cabbage, the sweet pepper, especially the sweet pepper. This behind me, I just pure sweet pepper. And the tree them load. When you might not see them on the camera, go and drop some B-roll spoon about a pure sweet pepper on both sides. Crazy vibes. And them harvest. I went them harvest yesterday. Yesterday. How much in bag? About 14, 15 bag. Pure sweet pepper. Cheese and peas. And the tree load. The tree, all of the tree them load same way. Crazy. Crazy vibes, man. We're there up on the farm in a Mandeville. Big farm with the general Stone himself.
Yeah, man, big
Father
up, big
Stone.
up.
Every time. That's a vibe. Yes, man, open our appreciate of this episode because we can't just in the restaurant them and dip on the street just to eat the food. And see where it come from. We're there on the land itself and it's just a vibe. Give God thanks and bless up everybody who are tuning in. Him contact her there. You don't have to know the exact location for big farm. Just no sign of Mandeville and the boss contact her there. So just if you don't want nothing, just reach out. And the sweet pepper got this in man. So just link up.
I tell you, the farm get bigger and bigger, you know.
It is
In the
getting
top,
bigger.
Bigger and bigger.
It'll get bigger and bigger.
Like we not stop. We are trying to match in name. Start small, but the farm, big farm, we have to live up to your name. So
Big
we
farm.
are going to expand.
Big farm.
No, stop expand.
That's the vibe. Yes, man. Right now, I'm there, I sit down and a pure tomato there behind me. Yes, man. This is a vibe. From big farm. Amazing vibes. There's tomatoes, the sweet pepper, big, huge land here with pure goodness. Yeah, man. Am I on this?
Yes, man.
Cheese and peas. Watch ya, man.
Bigger than your head.
Bigger than my head.
Lettuce.
Respect, man. Cheese and peas. My God. Yeah, this unbelievable. This big. Manners and respect.
Right,
I appreciate love this, brother.
Just
The
like
boss
that.
just take this out of the ground, right? That's just
Fresh.
the ground there. Fresh as it get. This just come out of the ground. And the boss say, this, go and go eat this. Lettuce. Oh, this smells so fresh. This bigger than my head. Yo, respect again, brother.
Yes, sir.
Respect a million.
Quality,
Wow, the vibes. Quality, just look on this, man. Oh, God. No, what is this? I just want to leave. Just look on that, man. Oh, amazing. Right here on the land. Pretty. And right here we have some tomatoes. Yeah, man. Lettuce. And we have some tomatoes right here. So look on that. Amazing vibes. Right here on the land. Right here on big farm. Yeah, man. All of these sweet pepper. All of these cabbage. Tomato. All of them thing here. You know, some people might not know the difference whether how these reach in the ground, whether them come by seeds or suckers.
Alright, so what we do, we purchase the seed at the farm store, purchase the seed, we purchase potting soil, we purchase
Potting soil.
tree. So one tree over there. So
Okay. Oh,
we
all
sow
of them
them.
black
Yeah.
ouch.
So we
Okay.
sow them in a seedling tree.
Mhm.
So we sow them in the tree and it keep in the tree for approximately 4 weeks.
Oh, so them not just going at the ground just like
No.
this. Oh.
Yeah. So we keep them in the tree for 4 weeks and then we transplant them in the field.
So it's a double planting process.
Yes.
Okay,
Reason
so I not
being-
just come and put them in a ground stand and
No.
Whoa.
That whole time.
Oh,
Reason
yeah.
being, you have them in a control area. Because I can have 10,000 sweet pepper sucker right here. So
Mhm.
instead of you go plant out the little one seed them in a field, you can have them right one place, less water if you carry them up. Two, I want them more control.
Mhm.
So I know exact number of me I work with that way too. Because you can store one in there and it don't grow.
True.
So when you put in a tree, you know exactly what you work with.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so
Makes
sweet
sense.
pepper, cabbage, tomato, all of them we put them in a tree. You have
All of them.
You have some put the melon in it to this sweet corn, even pumpkin, and them see the big,
Melon, all of them there.
all of them tree. Just
Tree.
you know the approximate amount where you get.
True.
Because you can buy 10,000 cabbage seed, so you go sow in the field. And 10,000 don't come up.
True.
3,000 will come up out of it. While you put in the tree, you will get probably 90% germination instead of 30%.
Whoa.
So everything are them pros and then con.
True.
Yeah.
And the seeds I like, as in like just one seed.
One
Yeah,
seed,
so
one tree, yeah.
One seed, one tree. So
One
all of
seed,
them
one
tree,
tree.
they are just
Yeah,
one
one
seed.
seed, one tree. Yeah, man. One seed, one tree.
One seed, one tree. Just like that.
Other for the cabbage, you see one seed can give 30, 40, 50 fruit.
Half of one tree.
One
And that is
tree.
just one
And
seed.
that's one seed.
Yo.
And the amount of seed that the one seed they are going to give.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So,
The amount of seed in a one single.
yes, man.
One so is it the same seeds? Alright, so I like them same seed they in the sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Same like the tomato. Are them same seed them plant?
Yes, man.
Them same
They
seed,
can
but them
do
go
it.
through a process.
Alright, let me tell you what them can do. Alright, say for instance, I plant the sweet pepper crop.
Mhm.
You see the first set of fruits them come on, then we leave them on for ripe and harvest them the seed out of them. There.
Okay.
Yeah.
True.
Them they are the A grade seed.
Oh, the first set.
First set, you know, so them the one they come extra big, quality, nice.
Whoa,
So you can harvest the seed out of them the one day.
Whoa.
Say for instance, me like this here.
Mm.
And I say, alright, I now buy back the seed again because I seed expensive.
True.
So I say, alright, I can left one 5 tree and just make every fruit compound that just make them ripe and harvest the seed them.
And I probably get way more seeds than even
Way
way to
more,
purchase.
and it go work out the same way.
Same way.
Yeah.
Same way.
But you just have to have patience.
Amazing. I
Yes,
take time.
man, take time.
Take time. Amazing, bro. Respect, man.
Everything works out.
Amazing. Yes, man.
Nice and big.
Nice. So when you pick these now, these go straight to buyers or
Alright.
not same time.
No, not same
Not
time.
same time.
Sometimes you put them down for ripe. Ripe by tomato be more weight. More weight, more money for me.
It right pipe be add more weight?
Yes man,
Oh.
the juices them come down in height.
Oh.
Yeah. The green one or the turn one them not so heavy. Like the ripe one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Real.
The ripe one. More weight.
Nice. Alright, so as them alright, looking at some of these turn ones now, as them is how long them take to change colour to the red colour after you pick them? How long them
After I
change?
pick them like probably a week or less.
So all this now. So in
This
space.
now next week this red.
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 Red. What?
Cause I remember saying in every fruit,
Yeah.
once you pick it a go in a decomposition stage.
Yeah.
It a go rot.
Yes.
In order for tomato rot,
Yeah.
it a go ripe. Anything at
True.
all. In order
True.
for you rot, it have to ripe
It
first.
have to ripe first.
Then it go down.
True.
So long as you pick it,
Yeah.
it have to ripe.
True.
Once
true.
you fit.
True. Makes sense.
If you not fit and you not want ripe, it
Makes
go
sense.
spoil.
Yo, yeah, no say, really and truly still in some of them things. Hold on, some of them things are still in. Are things where I like common sense, you know.
Yes, man.
For real, you know, but you know, really and truly, we not really look on it like that.
No.
But you, as the farmer now, they have to remind people, you know, and remind me as they have myself and actually know them things there, you know. Because once for something rotten for chew, you know, it have to ripe, you know. It have to ripe, you know. You understand for real, bro? So, basically, common sense for real, bro. So, but the riper it be,
It's heavier.
heavier.
And that is tomato. Sweet pepper, not so much. Sweet pepper.
That goes to tomato.
Yeah, the sweet pepper go lose weight
Mm.
when you pick it and if you ripe it go lose weight. But if you pick it ripe, still go lose weight. Yeah.
But it work well for you.
Yeah.
Tomato.
But tomato.
So it ripe by behavior. And
All
would they
juices.
would they actually experience some harvesting, man? You plan that man for great Father Stone.
Yes, man.
Respect every time, man. I appreciate love the whole the invite. I appreciate love the invite and we're there upon the land and see it. Yeah. The boss they are reap.
You catch piece of everything.
Oh God, man.
You catch a young stage, the fruiting stage, the reaping
Oh
stage.
God, man.
So me have
Amazing.
everything for you.
Amazing.
Yes, man.
Did you go to school for this?
No, sir.
Why everybody want actually pull up one where I do some amazing stuff like this actually I never go school for it. I just this you tell me say this is natural, sir, brother.
I tell you, me have a trade, me is a carpenter. But this me prefer. And when you're on the farm, every day you're on the farm is like a school. Every
Wow.
day you learn something. That's what
Wow.
I tell you. This is a never ending learning process.
Wow.
Every day you learn something.
Yo! And you know you have people who go to school for this.
Yeah, people will go to school. for
Who
this
you
and-
think better?
And guess what?
Who you think better? The
Me
natural
inna
the
field,
naturals.
we know more than him.
So-
Him probably know more the technical part them
Yeah.
and some of the hard work them we can't call.
Well you can't call.
Yeah.
Yes.
You might know that, but
Yeah.
when you're inna the field and I do it,
True.
totally different.
Totally different. Totally different.
Yeah. When me I do carpentry in
Yeah.
a book, when me go in a field, it come like a different school me go again.
True,
When
true.
me in a book, me don't know nothing. A different
True,
thing I
true.
go in a field.
Totally different thing. Watch the
Totally
boss at
different
work.
So it's
Yo.
a total learning process. As me tell you, you never stop learning a farming.
Never.
No care the amount of thing when you think you know, something out there you don't know.
Wow. Wow.
And in this seed, you have to can listen and incorporate.
True.
A man might tell you a thing if you don't want to try the full 100, take some sense out of nonsense and add it together with your thing.
Something go so. Even if I like no go so.
Yeah.
Something near for go so and you make it work
You
how
make
you
it
how you
work.
yeah.
Yeah.
True. Cause what work for your next man might not work for you though.
Yeah,
But that's why you say
remember-
take something out of it.
Yeah, because I remember saying, one island, but every parish have a different climatic zone.
True.
So my idea in Manchester way cooler with that.
True.
Me can take advice from a man where they are sent you in the heat, but you know go work as fully for me as they work for them because them in a different
Climatic zone.
Yeah.
True.
So me have to add to it
True.
or subtract.
True.
Yeah.
But when it come down at the end of the day, it all makes sense.
It all makes sense.
True.
And I still learn something.
True.
Yeah.
True. Real
Yeah.
talk, brother.
As me I do me drip irrigation and me plastic mulch.
Are you do all of them there?
Yes man.
Never want cut it still in but me have to cut it. Cause you know where I yard
Me
man.
do all right,
Bruh,
man.
you do all of them?
Me do it. Me one.
Yo.
Me get the tractor to plow the land. Him plow the land, him not plow it how me want it to do. So me have to go through and straighten up what me want to straighten up and make it look proper.
True.
Because me is a man, sometimes me not like that trait about me is like a perfectionist. Me love to see
True.
me think them straight and nice.
True.
Well organized.
True.
Yeah, I mean that.
Wow. And everything what we have to brother well organized.
Well organized.
Watch how everything
man.
just line up.
Yes, man.
Jeez and peace. Una
I mean, I tell you, when the farm is well organized, it's better for you as a farmer to take care of it. You
True.
can maintain your airflow, you can weed out it properly, you can
True.
spray properly. You know?
True.
Yeah,
True,
when you
true.
chaka you have to guess. You say, one day I did spray that one day, one day I did fertilizer. No.
and it actually give you yourself and others the drive, cause when you see the thing looks so organized, it make you feel so
Yes,
good.
man.
Even though you do it from scratch. You understand? It make you feel so good for know say you can actually look on your own thing and look on it just like that. Look at
Hey,
it.
may I tell you, every morning I come here and I come through the entrance this and I see tomato.
Oh
Me
God,
just
man.
smile.
Oh God.
Me have to
Yo.
just look and just smile. I say,
Amazing,
"Am I
brother.
really 4 weeks old?
Chano.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh, man.
Yeah, this is it. Treat them load.
Treat them well, Lord, brother. Well, Lord.
The price is it then now. It will you know, motivate you if you do it. But anything done, I always come back up.
Always.
So that's why I try if you have 2 fields.
True.
So me have this a beer now. We just set that there one day. So if this not catchy price, that must catchy price.
Next one won't catch
Now
it.
what me do? See this a little small. Me I want next piece. I want next piece still. But that's a small.
Mhm.
So what me try to do every time, go bigger.
True.
Me have 300. Roughly me have about 1500 tree I reap from. This are what they want next place. So what me try to do, go bigger every time I plant.
Every time.
So me plant almost 3,000 over here. So.
True.
So next time I plant, I go like 6,000-7,000.
Wow.
So I try to do. So every time I plant, I try to elevate myself.
True.
Yeah.
True.
So right now,
That's the only way to go, for
to
real.
go up.
True,
I have
true.
2,000 sweet pepper over there. So right now, I'm sow 9,000.
Wow.
But I go plant by March month end. And I tell you, I go sow our next 20,000 in a week. So, I just try to
Wow.
elevate the climb up ladder. And for
All
the
the way
people
to
that have
go,
the
bro.
land, them and nobody to help them, link me.
Link up.
My partner with them.
I tell them to, no?
Tell them.
I can't tell them to, man. For the people them who have the land, them and nah do nothing with it. Link with. Link with. Yeah, man. See Father Stone right there, so pure tomato there.
We make it
Pure
thing work.
tomato. Boss, we make the thing work. No joke. Yeah, man.
No matter where you are.
Oh God, man. Boss, no matter where. And as we mentioned just now, it's a crazy thing because being in this field, you know, prices fluctuate, and here when just a while ago, to what the price then now, if you don't know where you do this, demotivate you. To the price then now, if you don't know where you do, you some people that probably want to give up, you know, because the price is low upon the tomatoes right now. But guess what?
That's why I say, if you don't love it, don't do it.
Don't do it, because not all the time the money I go up there. But as them say, I just logics. Everything can't down forever.
Remember, farming is a gamble, you know. And you have to win. You have to win sometimes. Have to win.
Wow,
And when you win, it might be greater than when you lose. Way greater.
way greater.
Yeah.
Wow.
So when you win, you win.
And them thing I can never stop eat. Remember, food is the staff of life. Yeah. So this is food. Yeah, man. If you go back down in a bucket, show no what go on again. Yeah, man. Look at that, man. Amazing. This is amazing.
Say if you want money every week, plant tomato, sweet pepper, lettuce, pop choy.
Weekly money that.
Every week you can collect, man. Every week. Get 2 restaurants you can supply pop choy. You can plant pop choy every week, man.
Wow. How long, how quick that take for
That like 6 weeks.
and that fully grown?
Yes, man.
Fully grown, big fat too?
Big fat pop choy or lettuce. Lettuce take 2 months. Some take 6 weeks. Some take 35 days.
Wow.
If you want money every week, you can plant them. They just grow and look up a restaurant and so. And you can make money every week.
Can food cook every day, brother?
Every day. I just you have to market your thing. You market your thing are good.
Wow.
And if anybody have a contract for give me, just link up. You plan for no.
Wow. This is a man who love the farming. This is a man who love Jamaica. This is a man who love the land. Yes. This is the vibe. So not just in I'm homegrown, anywhere at all. It's Jamaica. And once the land they're free. Yeah, man. Land of them thing I Yaksta talk about. Big up Yaksta every time. One time, that's one of my past classmates, my virgin that big up Yaksta, them thing the boss talk about. Yeah, man. Farming. Yes. Food. Yes. Overflossing. Yeah, man. Every time. Farming, overflossing. Every time.
Yeah, then it's green up here, man. So when I rub it sheen kind of come off. See, it look goldish. And I rub it sheen come off. Right? So I clean because I put on, as you see. See it? See it green up?
Yeah. So so the same thing it do your finger when.
Yeah. So you make your finger green. I mean I like that. I don't like that part.
Boy, I think I understand the feeling being here. Boy, every look, every walk, I just pure redness. Just pure turnness. And me I tell you, say it feels so amazing for there. In a bush. Why, I don't know. It just feels so good. If you take a step outside of the food, out of the restaurant them, and just being here and seeing where all of them come from. Look on this. This is just pure goodness right there, so. This is just pure goodness. Yeah, man. Pure goodness. Yeah, man.
If you want the rainfall now and flash up too much dirt pan.
Oh, okay.
So,
True.
you can't do so, but you're not go have the crop as long as you would want it.
Yeah. So it's best when them stay up. When them stay upright.
Yeah.
So the weight of all of them
And
here.
you have two varieties. Not varieties. What do you call it? You have two types of tomato. You have determinate and you have indeterminate. The determinate variety will grow like 4 to 5 feet tall and just put on fruit, which is that one, the Roma. This one now is indeterminate. So if I want to rope long from up a sky come down and I guide him go up, he just continuously grow.
So in a top none at all?
In a top.
Okay.
But that if you guide him.
True.
If you not guide him, he just did there. Do what you want to do till he dead.
But him still a flourish until them time there.
Yeah, till he dead.
Boy, look how the weight bring down the tree them. Heavy. Whoa. Heavy tomatoes on tree, man. No joke. Heavy and nice. What about salad? You plant this
I plant
salad?
salad too. I plant none this time.
Okay. What I ask you in a father's stone.
Yeah.
When was the last time you buy tomato? You yourself buy tomato?
Where? At the market?
Yeah, buy tomato.
Me can't remember.
You have to laugh at that one.
I can't remember because I not have you and go buy. No, before I freeze it. If I not go have it, I rather freeze it. And I know say we have it. Yeah?
Freeze up that.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
You see all the sweet pepper?
A couple of years old.
Yes, man.
Couple of years old.
Sweet pepper.
See one there over there's a roll behind you.
Sweet pepper.
Yeah, fresh.
Sweet pepper, tomato, hot pepper. What else? Yeah, them the three something there. You don't get me by that amount.
Years now.
I go always have that.
Always.
If you have one tree on my yard.
True.
I remember say, for the people you see sweet hot pepper and tomato. I think majority of the people them fi buy them their market. Because you can't even plant in a one little paint pan. Any little thing.
True.
And it can grow right to your yard, even for your veranda.
True.
Hot pepper especially, you're supposed to have a hot pepper to your yard.
So true.
You're not supposed to buy hot pepper.
So true. Every minute.
No, sir.
If you buy it you know a couple times, but
Yeah, man,
every time you
supposed to
need
buy
pepper, you have to buy.
You're supposed to can go out and do because pick 2 hot pepper.
True, you attack, you know.
Yeah, man.
True, you attack.
Simple one,
True,
too.
you attack. But I feel like majority of the people, especially in the country areas, I feel like say most yard where you go, you can find a 511
Yes,
pepper
man.
still.
But me
Especially
say-
in the country, especially.
But me I say in the corporate area,
Yeah.
you know, some of the yard space, they might not big enough for
But the veranda,
or might not have that. But
one bucket like this or smaller.
Yeah, but
Can
same
hold a
like
pepper
how
tree.
you can buy a pot to put your flowers in and you take care of your flowers.
True.
You can do the same thing. Put a hot pepper in it. Put a
Put a
tomato
pepper
in it.
pan
Yeah,
in a one pot too.
in the pan your veranda.
Wow.
You're good to go.
For real, brother man.
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Boy, yeah, give people them something for do now, innit?
Yes, man, do
Oh,
it, man,
God,
because
man.
that can't stop a farmer, see me, you know.
You will never.
Never.
Will
so
never.
plant on something, man.
For real,
You
man.
can go pick one nice hot pepper, put in a pot and say, yeah, man, I'm a plant, you know.
Oh, God,
Yes,
man.
man.
Food probably are nicer to you, know?
Nice, I can say, yeah, man, I feel me pepper make it what smell, say, you know. Oh, gosh, man.
Yo, the vibes. Yes, man. Yes, man. No joke. For real. I'm talking about that. I need to go plant a pepper plant and yeah, I need to put one close to me for real. Need to put one of them tree there close to me. Very close. So true. Respect to the farmer for telling me that, man.
And one pepper plant can last all 5 years. If you
One
have
plant.
one pepper plant in your yard and you water time, good, all 5 years.
Wow.
One pepper plant and that's something more easy for them.
Wow.
Hot pepper.
True.
In a easy for them.
And I know every time, and that one plant can bring you how much pepper, how much in pepper.
It's a
And I know,
bit-
and you're not gonna use 3 pepper in your food.
No, you
Probably I just one, probably I just half
and
too.
guess what? You're not going to run out of pepper because you're going to have excess amount.
Whoa.
So you can't even harvest what the seed them and plant. Remember?
Jeez and peace,
Yeah,
man. Words.
I just see up there some.
Words.
Remember say you have the pepper pan if you there.
Exactly.
So yeah, go show them how much
Exactly.
one little pepper tree can give.
Exactly.
All 200 pepper there for
One single tree.
Yeah, man.
Words. And I take in the farmer. Yeah, man. Big farm. That's it.
Yeah,
Yes, man.
not a pig farm.
Big farm, not a pig farm. Yeah. Big farm, not a pig farm. Yes, man. That's a vibe.
Alright, so when you have excess water for your crops them and they mature, this plant still a suck the water so it tend to burst the fruit once it mature. So this is basically counters cause spoilage.
And this now going to the storeroom
Yeah,
with
this
the rest of
can't go in
them.
the storeroom because it go spoil the rest of them. Because it go spoil fast and spoil the rest of them. So it,
It a go spoil first.
first.
Because of the
Yeah,
condition.
Because it already burst.
Yeah.
So it a go
So that
spoil
now
the
go
rest.
against the rest of them.
No.
One bad apple spoil it whole batch.
Yeah, so this are for the pig.
It's a, oh,
Or
the
or
house.
me can wash out the seed and plant it back.
Okay,
Okay, can me can do that.
nice.
Pig or plant back.
Alright.
Alright, you have 2 types of fertilizer. You have granular, which where you chew the root, and you have soluble, where you can mix in your spray pan and spray them pan it, or you can mix in your water and water it. So them there are 2 types of fertilizer me use.
True.
So alright, so for instance here so now me use granular fertilizer because I have access to the soil. But over there so now where the plastic mulch is, I have to use liquid fertilizer because I not gonna have the access to the soil I have here. So
Oh,
I run the fertilizer through the drip lines. Which
that is where the
underneath-
drip lines come in
Yeah,
play.
which is underneath the plastic mulch.
Nice. So and it have two major great effects on the plants. 'Cause it bring the fertilizer and also water
And
the
the
plant
water.
at the
Yes.
same time.
So it's easier. It's a win-win. It's easier.
True.
Because instead of coming here and dropping fertilizer here, there, I just put it in one jump and it just distribute it to everything.
Everything get it.
Everything get fertilizer.
And everything I get it.
Everything I get it. There's not a if nor but
For real.
baby. It
For
I
real.
go get it.
True,
So,
true.
This type of farming what me do, way easier.
True.
So when that will take me probably 10 minutes for run the water to the drum and mix it through the night. This will take me all probably 1 day. Because I have to go every root and drop the fertilizer there and cover it. So that type of farming way easier.
Farming more
We-
nicer now.
Well nice,
Farming
no
way
hard
nicer
up
now.
night again like back in the days. So
Real.
once you can invest in your new technology then you're good to go. I say fine, and imagine if me did have to get water can and water all of these. You know how much time that would take me? When it just take me 5 to 10 minutes, we just full up my jump turn on here and just
That's it.
that's it.
That's it.
So technology is my help. So me not
True,
necessarily
true.
have to get a man to come work
True,
like
true.
that.
True, true.
Yeah. So technology, that is them are my work, man. Hmm? Yeah, me see it, man. Me see it. Right, me just tell him. One little
One look at jewelry and them start crack already.
Yeah, okay, enough. Yeah. I just two me carry. One call now, one next lady.
Out there under Papa tree. It's amazing. This whole tour vibe. Crazy big up to Stone, man. May I tell you. Amazing vibes. I have a huge. I have the other equipment them in my answer. Oh, this has been a vibe. It's amazing. And my day of it. My day of it. Look on let it say, man. Oh God, man. This is life. This is real life. Yeah, man. And let it say in them supermarket now, in them place I wanna eat. Oh God, man. Catch it from the ground. Ah, this is life. Jamaican life. Yes, man. Hey, don't think these containers are small. Look on them. Big container all me can hold in this. No joke. Pure plummy, pretty plummy tomatoes. The vibe here upon the land. Yes, man. Oh God, man.
Quality.
Quality, man.
Gosh. Heavy like a lead.
Hey, it's really heavy.
Yeah, man. Tree heavy, man. I want tree there, say, you know? Right on the wall up here, so. Let's see if we can carry him up.
Fall over.
Yeah, man. Job. So as you see, all different styles and stages.
Yes, man.
Ripe, turn, green, young, old, mama, papa, everybody.
Tell everybody the tree biggie, man.
Big man. Spread.
So all them you know what drop off as
man,
not for them age. Them still can ripe
Yes,
same way.
man. As me tell you, once you pick him,
Yeah.
and down him a go.
Okay.
Him a go down.
I'ma go down.
Right down.
Nice. One big old tree, man. Jesus. Peace. Man, I drop off a ground. Yeah. Oh, man.
Nice and pretty.
What?
I tell you, man, just this alone is just a joy if you see.
Believe me, man. Boy, I take up
But
that while ago. I tell you, say it feels
You do
so
it for
good.
seed. To see a seed turning a whole heap. Aye. Some still not some of them though. See you start from seed to start harvest, man.
Yeah, man.
It's just a joy.
And then I'm a man.
Care how cheap you want me.
No key how cheap it want be. So the time when you plant them to it as in the month or the
I don't believe in that part then.
you don't believe in that part eh?
No, sir.
Mm?
One time I feel like.
So no matter which month you plant them in, once
Anytime.
them a get what them forget,
Yeah.
which is the nutrients. All of them
Nutrients.
supplement them alright.
Every day, so you can plant every day.
You eat every day so you can plant every day. Oh God, man. Word.
Exactly so.
Word.
All of them are named book business. I control them, I try to control people.
Not true?
Yeah, man, I control them, I try to control people, man.
The right name they really help them do.
Yeah, man.
The line them actually help them real good for you, man.
We still have extra reinforcement.
Nice.
So me just click them on. So that's but breeze now, but I blow him off back again.
Different. That's it. Yes, man.
Next one, we click that side. Yeah, full up already. I'm not done. And more you pick every year then get.
Oh God, look one colors, man.
Make sure you take out the best one then.
You're the man, man. Oh God, man.
Saying it's just about less than 300 trees.
All of this.
Yeah.
I just less than 303.
Less than 300 trees.
Whoa.
I'm going to take up more than 300 tomatoes already.
Oh God, man.
And
Wow, this is
the first
life.
harvest.
Not the first harvest. And it won't be the last.
And it won't be the last.
Whoa. Look at that, man. Look at Jaworks, man. With the farmers, them. Look at that.
Look at this.
Whoa. Giant. Ooh. Giant. Where's that one in your mind, though? Jeez, I'm big. Whoa. Respect, man. Boy. Look at this. The boss said, take up tomato. Take up any amount of tomato where you want. And watch ya. I grab a few. About 2 pounds of tomato, how much money would I have to go pay for this? Wow. And the man say, sweet pepper, look on this. Giant. Look on my hand to this sweet pepper. And the man say, food. Eat this. This are yours. Whoa. Big up every time, you know.
Yes, man.
Oh God, man. Respect, man. Oh God, man. Give her thanks, man. Praise ye Jah. Me have a bag of go home. Give God praise.
Before, go scotch bonnet business if you always have one for yourself.
Yes.
So me not have none in my fee right now.
Yeah.
We're gonna make sure though. Plant.
Oh.
5, so me not run out.
I see them, yeah?
And pepper the pani.
I see them, yeah? Oh God.
And it adjust the yard purpose.
Just for yard purpose. Whoa. Respect, man. Ah, yes. Now we get lettuce. The boss give me a giant lettuce and see it, yeah? We have tomatoes, ton loads. Let me show you what go on. I'm not joke. Ton loads. Look on this. Look on this. This, I can't even guess how much pound this. Because I'm not good on the weight. On the weighing thing. But this, I want bigger level, something bigger than me. Me can lay down in this. And that load. This load. And that load. Load. And the man said, take out where you want. Take out where you want. Where they are the factory. I see it, yeah? I'm gone. Yes, man, give God thanks. Give Stone thanks. Yeah, man, I ain't come here with no bag. And see me, I get bag with stuff. It's amazing. I just Jaworks. Yeah, man.